Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Equalizer Preset for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application. Now, if you add your speaker to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it. And right here we have presets, so click at the selected preset, and then by default it used just default preset, and you need to swap at the custom one. Then click on it, and now you can make something good for you. Let's say that's okay for me. Also, you can create more than one custom preset by click at the plus. Now you can scan QR code, but I'm going to edit manually. Let's call it test and done. And now you can make something good. And right here we have two presets. Also, you can reset this preset by click at the reset button. And yes, and we have it by default. And also we can remove this preset. Let's create a third one. Let's call it custom 2. And now you can't remove current preset, so you need to, if you want to, let's say, delete this one, you need to swap to another preset, and then click at the at the settings icon here. And now we can delete. As you can see, I cannot use current preset. I cannot delete current preset, and we click here and delete and delete. Also, we can enable adaptive direction, and now we can create or change presets for different placement. And let's say I wanna for the standing, for the standing, so I wanna use test. For the hanging, I wanna use custom one, and for the lying, I wanna create a new one. Let's call it custom 4, and now I also make something, and as you can see I have 3 different presets for different placement. Now if I wanna change it to a test, and now my this custom presets using different presets, and I wanna, let's say, delete a custom one. Let me click at the settings icon, and as I said previous, as you can see, I cannot use current preset, so we use it only for the one mod for the hanging, and I cannot. So if you want to delete it, just swap to another preset, and then you can delete this custom one and delete. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.